Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. Here we're going to show you this 07 Ford F550 we have for sale. It's a V10 gas engine, two-wheel drive. It's got 241,000 miles. It's a one-owner truck. It belonged to Union Pacific Railroad. It's got a maintainer bed, 3,500 pound crane, Ingersoll and Rand air compressor, and a Miller Trailblazer welder generator. It's got a nice set of tires on it. Truck overall is in good shape to be a 12-year-old work truck. Seat's got a little spot right there and a burn right there. Has hydraulic outriggers, air hose and reel, air tank. I don't know if that thing locks in place or not. One thing I do want to mention is this truck had a little bit of it wasn't really rushed, just scale where the paint had come off the back and been exposed, but we just painted over all that. Looks better than it did, but it's not a professional paint job by any account of the word. So, you know, don't come here expecting a brand new bed on this truck, because it's not new. It's not a new truck, and you're also not paying a new price. So that's a Miller Trailblazer 251 NT. It's got 470 hours on it. I'm gonna start it up, and I'm gonna work the crane, compressor, and I'll start the welder up. $241,853. All right, air blows cold. Set your emergency brake. It's already on. Turn both of these on. Turn all these on. It's already on back here, but you also have a switch right there you gotta have on. That one that says on air comp, you gotta have all those on. So those are all on as well. I think all the work lights on this thing work. Yeah. There. That light there. Up, left and right, winch down, extension out, extension in, winch up, boom down. And then to turn your compressor on right here, flip flip that up. Kick on. Flip it back here to your turn it off. That'll turn it off and switch the flow back to your crane. Also, you got work lights in here. You run the outriggers right here. Alright, showed you everything working. Crane, compressor, welder, hydraulic outriggers. This thing's got some nice cabinet toolboxes in it. These are the nicest setups on these trucks, the maintainer beds. We're going to be selling this truck pretty cheap, so don't wait around. This truck will sell. The last one we had, I sold it similar priced. It didn't have a welder and it lasted about a day, so don't wait around. This truck will sell. Runs good. I like the V10. They're cheap to work on if anything does happen to them. They're easy to work on, and you can replace the whole engine for the price of some injectors on a diesel. So you know, if anything was to ever happen to it, they're, like I said, they're relatively cheap to fix versus a diesel anyways. If you're interested, give us a call, 256-310-6852. Our website's heavymetaltrucks.com. Today is June 19th, 2018. If you're watching this video and it's June 19th, 2020, I've already sold this truck, so you ain't got to call and ask. I have that happen all the time. People will be watching the videos and they'll call about a truck I had 3 years ago. So I guess that's about it. If you want to ship this truck and we get it shipped to you anywhere in the United States, we ship them in and out all the time, so it's not a problem. We can handle that for you. Just figure somewhere around $1, $1.25 a mile, especially on a big truck like this. I guess that's it. Thank you for watching. Oh, and another thing, these trucks are sold as is. There's no warranty whatsoever. You're buying a in this case, this truck's 12 years old. It's got 240,000 miles. You're buying this truck for probably a sixth or a seventh of what a new truck would cost like this. So there's no warranty, and once you buy it and pay for it, the truck becomes your responsibility. I think that's about it. Yep, that's it. Oh, it's got cruise control. Thank you for watching.